Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this makeup tutorial. It's using all BareMinerals, BareMineral? Is it an S on that? Yeah, BareMinerals products. Clean beauty, it's easy, it's fresh. Love this. I have had a bad little breakout and I feel great. This makeup has given me a lot of confidence. It's great for every day, great for back to school, great multi-purpose products that you can use with your fingers. So if you're curious as to how I did this makeup, then just keep on watching. I do not have a primer, but that's okay. I normally don't use a primer. I do have one primer that I do use, but it's not BareMinerals. We're gonna go on to foundation. There's two different ones that I absolutely love. I think I actually might mix them. This is the first one. It's the Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick in Bamboo 5.5. It is so cool. Like the texture, the feeling, it like goes on cool, if that makes sense. Is it too hydrating on my skin? And the answer is no. It's actually been really nice and given a really beautiful finish. I obviously do put a powder on just to mattify those oily areas, aka my T-zone. This has been pleasantly surprising. As you can see, it just gives a nice even coverage. My blemishes are still shining through. I don't know what's up with my skin, but last week it just had a moment. I'm gonna go to the BareMinerals Original Foundation. This is their bestseller. I am so amazed by it. I have used a really light coverage, like just one little dab of it, and it gives a really even coverage. I've layered it when I've had a really bad breakout, and it doesn't look cakey. For some reason, it just glides and melts into your skin, is still hydrating. I swear there's magic in this little container. This concealer is so good. By no means like super new, but it's new to me because I normally have used the BareMinerals Original little powder concealer, which I like, but if you do have dry under eyes, I do find it a little bit more drying, but I do have oily skin, so it tends to work on my skin type. But this is incredible. It is the Bare Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Light Medium, Neutral 05, and I'm gonna put this under my eyes sparingly and on any blemishes that are still popping through. My face is feeling so flat. It definitely is flawless looking. Obviously you can take out whatever foundation I used to make it a lighter coverage kind of look, but because I have some friends that are really deep in pigmentation at the moment, whether or not I touch a pimple, it always scars, which is super frustrating. I have such sensitive skin, but it also isn't sensitive because it can withstand a lot of harsh product. Does that make sense? Anyways, you don't have to mix both of those foundations. You can just use the original or the Complexion Rescue on their own and then put the concealer on any areas that need a little bit extra coverage. Anyways, we're gonna move on to probably my favorite product out of this entire tutorial, which is this bronzer. I've been using it flat out for the past month. It's incredible. It's the Endless Summer Bronzer in Warmth. I did a tutorial using this a couple weeks back, and I mentioned the smell of it. It smells kind of like a fake tan, a little bit of that biscuit smell, which is not my favorite, but it's because it actually does give color to your skin over time. I don't know if it actually works when you wear 2 layers of foundation, but if you're just doing a quick bronze, this bronzer actually does, you know, leave a little bit of color over time. So hence the smell. It does, you know, kind of work as a self-tanner. When they came out with this collection, the Bounce and Blur, the Blushes are totally up my street. It's meant to be used with your fingers, so it's really consumer friendly where anyone can use this. You don't need the right brushes or any specific brushes to apply the entire collection. It's a really cool consistency and feel. It's a little bit bouncy to the touch. I'm gonna be using the two blushes in Blurred Buff, which is a little bit more of a muted brownie everyday pink color, and then Coral Cloud just on the apples of my cheek. A lot of you guys have been commenting on my brows lately, and it's all thanks to this bad boy. It is the Brow Master Sculpting Pencil in Chestnut. It does have a wax in it, I believe, I'm hoping, because it feels like it, and it just really adheres to your skin. So if you have sparse eyebrows, you would love this product because it's just gonna stay on. It really helps define the brow, and of course it has a spoolie on the other side, which is just the best thing ever when it's a brow product. This part is optional if you want to keep the look a little bit more minimal. Just fast forward to the mascara. I'm gonna do a cat eye. This liner is so good. I just like to do it very slow, take my time, and honestly, practice just, well, it doesn't really make perfect with eyeliner because I still mess up all the time, but just go slowly, and the more you do it, the better you get at it. I'm gonna be using the BareMinerals Lash Domination Ink Liner.
I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away.
Move on to mascara. I feel like it's literally the next day. That took so long and it was a little bit more intense than I wanted, but we're gonna keep on moving here. This is the Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara. I am picky with mascara, you know that, because most mascaras just always tend to leave those little black marks on my eyelid, which is so annoying. Even if the mascara is brilliant and my lashes look great, I will not use it if it smudges. This doesn't smudge. It's amazing. I do like to layer it. It's a softer one, so you can get away with like 3-4 layers of it, and it doesn't look clumpy because it just kind of builds on it. So I feel like it looks better the more layers you use. It's natural the first layer, and then it just gets better with every layer. So I'm gonna do probably 2 or 3. I love it. I really love that mascara. We're gonna move on to lips finally. We've made it to lips. This is the BareMinerals Gen Nude Borderline Under Over Lip Liner. It's basically your lip color, but better. It honestly just mimics your lip, so you can overline and no one will know. This is in the shade, oh, it's in the shade Borderline. Liner is really cute on its own, but what color am I going to use? Last week's vlog is when I did this makeup and said I'd film it for you, and that's when I'm filming it. For lip color, I don't know if I want to stay with the color I had in that video. It was Carnation and Spice mixed, the Bare Pro Long Wear lipsticks. They're incredible, honestly one of my favorite lipsticks ever. But I'm feeling like I want to use Petal. It's a little bit more of a mauve color. I wore it in last week's vlog as well, so I think I'm just vibing this one a little bit more today. Voila, this is it. Clean beauty, clean makeup. Don't know what that is. Absolutely love these products. They will all be linked down below. Thank you for watching. If you want to see any more tutorials, let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.